Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through the steps on how to recover deleted posts on Instagram, whether it's a video, a photo, or a memory you thought was gone forever. I've got you covered, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the Instagram app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account from which you deleted the post. Once you're on the home screen, head to your profile. You can do this by tapping on your profile picture or username located in the bottom menu. This action will take you directly to your Instagram profile. For the sake of this demonstration, let's assume you've deleted some posts. Now, tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner, those three horizontal lines. Within the menu, look for Your Activity and tap on it. This will lead you to a section where your recent activities, including deleted posts, are stored. Inside Your Activity, find and tap on Recently Deleted. Here, you'll find a list of posts you've deleted within a specific time frame. Now, you'll see a list of deleted posts. Select the one you want to recover. In the top right corner of the screen, click on the three dots, Options menu. A menu will appear. Click on Restore and confirm your decision. After clicking Restore, you might need to confirm once more. Click Restore again. Go back to your profile and voila! Your restored post should now be visible. And that's it. You've successfully recovered a deleted post on Instagram. Remember, this feature helps you retrieve content within a specific time frame, so act promptly. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy Instagramming. Bye bye.